Welcome to the channel. I'm Charita. Thanks for stay with me. Hope you all are well. Right. Today I'm bringing another episode series because I want to try another experiment. I start from 200 pounds, but however it's developed now, I jump to 1 to 1, 1 to 1, 1 to 1, climb the ladder like this way. So now today I'm take another risk. Stay there, get the idea. This is the another story. I'm playing around. So get the idea what I'm going to do, and also comment section open for you. If I can do, you can do too. Don't give up. Right. This is me. This is car. In between 1, 2, 3. Keep ready with you piece of paper and pen, because in between I will ask 3 questions. I need a answer from you. Right. I'll explain what happened and what's going on. In the beginning, one of my friend came to me. He's in a car flipping business. Basically, what he doing, he buy the car from the auction, value added, and sell the car. Then he explained its whole story with me. So I listened to him. Then after that, I spent 2 weeks to find out details, and I'll figure out is that work for me or not. Then after that, yes, it's work for me. Then I decided to buy a car from the auction. I done lot of research online, basically internet. Then same time my friends sent lot of links to related for the auction and how to bid the vehicle. So finally I found one car from the auction, 2017 Kia Sportage, 1.6 liter, 40k on a clock, and driver side front end had a accident. So basically it's write off car. He told that car in a bid it's say 200 pounds. Then we thought we will take this car around 800 or 900 pounds. So we waiting for the 7 days to until start the bid. Then start the bid. This car passed this limit, and we asked 1000, 1200, 1500. After that, we end with 1700. We won the bid. So after that, they didn't give the approval then and there. They said waiting for review. So in that day evening, I got the message. They said I am not success, and they offer around 4500 for this car. Right. This is the screenshot I got from them. Have a look what they said. Right. If you in this situation, what are you going to do? Now take out your pen and paper and take a 5 minute, pause the video from here. Please note it down. your answer. I said big no for this price. Then after that, this car again came to the market after 10 days. And the same time, normally I has a habit never give up. And I'm going to my ambition straight. No one can stop me. So I waiting for the 10 days. After that, this vehicle again came. Starting bid from 1800. First time I won 1750. Now it came to the market again after 10 days, 1800. So Charlie never give up, because my friend is my friend A. He also encouraged me a lot. So again we start the within day morning, get ready for the thing, get the phone. This day morning around 10 o'clock bid starting, and he called me around 9:55. Then I was on a phone with him, and again we starting bidding. Straight it went 2200, 2300. So this one going up and up and up. So it went until 2800. So my friend say to me, Charlie, we'll stop and we'll give up this one. I said to him, no, I am not ready to give up this one. I need this vehicle, because at the moment I don't have any clue what I am doing. But however, my ambition, I need this car. That's it. So I said to him, we put 2850. Boom. Again, it say you won, but under review. Second time. Right. My second question for you. Now, first time I failed. Second time also still I didn't get the answer. Then end of the day, again I got the answer. Right. You can see here. This is the my bidding amount 2850, but they said they give the count offer for 4000. Again I got count offer 4000. Last time it was 4500. Second time it was 4000. Then again I told to them big no, and I wait for 48 hours until they take a decision. Right. After 48 hours, I got the this is stars, yeah. Because if someone success like a stars going all the way around the head. So I am very happy. This is the price I bid for. But however, their final bills came to me around 3552. This is the final figure I had to pay. Right. Again, I'm going to the beginning. My friend came introducing the salvage website. Then after that we start the job. First time we fail, second time we pass, and we got the vehicle for 3,522. Now my question for you, if you spend 3,552 to this car, you will buy this car or not? Again, I'll give the 2 minute. Think what are you going to do. Let's go to the road and have a look what I bought. Wow, you need light? This one, that one. You take it to the garage. This is the car I bought. I spent 3,552 pounds. So at the moment, I don't have any clue what I'm going to do with this car. Engine sounds mint. Basically, you can see here around 40k on a clock, and both airbags came out. Lot of warning light at the dashboard. Car but work as should be. Now car with me, driver side with damage. My next question number 3 for you. What are you going to do with this car? Again, take your paper out. Comment section open for you. Please comment if you like me. What do you going to do with this car? At the moment, I'm going to stop from here. Please answer my 3 questions. I need your help this time. So we'll do something together. Same time, I'll start this journey with 200 pound. Now I have a reasonable amount with my hand. That's why I play with like this, and I need to climb the ladder with you. So please comment what is your idea. Also, if someone start with this video, please watch my beginning videos, because I start from the 200 step by step what I done. It's there. Main thing, never give up. Second thing, happy to change the challenge, happy to try, and need a ambition. Okay, see you in the next video.